Oh, yeah. Oh! We just made it back here, and the one thing I noticed about the Cummins is that you see those little black things on the hood. I never knew what they actually did. There's one over there as well, and those things actually release the windshield cleaner, so that's pretty cool that's where it comes from. I never expected that. I honestly thought there was something to do with the underneath the hood, but I guess not. So a little update on the recall for the Cummins. There is no fix, so I have to engage the parking brake. Some days I do forget it, but I don't think it's really affecting my truck, because obviously the truck hasn't rolled. Knock on wood, don't got any wood trim here. I don't know, hopefully there'll be a fix soon. Here we go. I just scrubbed the premises really good in there. I don't know if you can see it, the lighting's kind of bad, but it's really clean in there now. So what I'm going to do is, I think these screws are a little loose. I'm just going to tighten these up a little bit. I got a screwdriver right here. So I guess I'll put this back in here, and look at that, guys. You see these trucks are made in Mexico, but we got a made in USA rubber plate right there. Check that out. So I'm gonna put that back in here somehow. Just goes into place like that, I guess. So I also just scrubbed down the column shifter in here, right in this area, this region, the padding, and check this out, man. You guys think I'm probably crazy, but no, it's just hidden dirt everywhere in this truck. And I think whenever I think I got everywhere, there's always something else. But I'm trying to pick up compartments now to clean those out, and that's why I'm looking at little areas like that. Column shifter, pulling up this tray and everything. But I think we should be good now. Come on, what are you guys waiting for? We got the STP right here. All right, let me close her up. I just washed her down again for the second time. If you guys saw, I just washed her the other day. Now I have to do it again to get all that salt off. It was mainly right here on the windows and on the front. But we got it taken care of. So let me get this open right now so I can throw this in before I go in while the engine's still there. I know it's usually supposed to be done whenever it's running, but what? 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Let's pour it in now. Oh! Listen to that Chevy Cruze turbo. Alright guys, here I am on the inside of the parking garage. I'm about to be at the body shop now. I figured I'd make the video in here because, well, there's less wind and everything. So yeah, check it out. Middle of the downtown Harrisburg right now, actually. So yeah, I got my bike right here. A little bit to go, probably about 10-15 minutes, and I'll be there. I'll pick up the truck, and I'll probably update you once we're inside or carrying the parts or whatever. But it is super windy outside. That's why I came to this spot here. And I mean, nice sunny day, right? Go.
It's good.
Quiet on set.
What?
Quiet on set. Lights, camera, action. So it feels good to be finally back in the truck, guys. Finally heading out here. Got to make one stop, and then we'll do the big reveal on what I just picked up for this truck. And it's been so long. It's actually been, I don't even know, it's been probably a week since I've driven this truck. I'm not sure, but of course I haven't been driving as much in general, but I'm going to now, and this is perfect, man. So we're gonna do the reveal after we make one stop. Whoa! Alright guys, so we're just gonna run in there real quick. Let me show you something about this Silverado. Check it out. It's part of NASA. It's the CEO of NASA. I was just going over that kind of stuff today. All the space travel that we've been doing lately, and that you can actually vote for different pictures. Whenever they start orbiting planets, whenever it comes close to the planet, you can actually vote on what kind of pictures you want taken of where and spots on the planet. It's pretty cool, so that's awesome. So for the crazy workout routine, just picked up some Synth6, very good brand here, protein bars. Just gonna get a couple of these. When are they? July, alright. So what's up? Alright, we got some protein bars and stuff, some water, and some protein drinks. 48 grams of protein. Can you believe that? So I'm running out of V8 energy drinks, and as you guys know, I drink one about every single day. So I got some Venoms here, 89 cents. Crazy. But I found some more V8 energies online through Walmart. I'm gonna be ordering energy to my house. It's kind of weird, whatever. So I figured I'd buy some of these now so I can hold over until I can get my next fix. Oh my gosh, we got it, guys. I was looking these up online and it was $4, but now we got two for $2 a pack. And I mean, it's probably pretty gross. Baked apple cinnamon, you can enjoy it hot, so I think I'm gonna get a lot of them. Bingo. Running the marathon, let's go! We just made it to Casa de Blanca. Wow, perfect sunlight. Oh, I just looked directly at it. All right, let me close it up. So first of all, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update of the outside of the truck and what has been done recently, just in case to follow up with you guys on the stuff that has been done. So as you can see, I took the Silverado lettering off the doors. It's not there anymore. And then come back here. Check it out. We got an exhaust tip on the truck and it's got a glass pack interior, so it's not one of those ones that are just for looks. We cut some of the pipes so enough shows, and it's gonna eventually give a good rumble once it breaks in, the break-in period and stuff. So another thing that we did, and this was just done, right here, this was all chipped up and everything. Got that professionally done by the body shop. I know I did some touch-up stuff for long-time viewers of the channel, but that did not work out. So back here on the back, we took the badge off, we took the badge adhesive off, we took the Silverado letters off, we took the LT letters off, and we replaced both of these panels with professionally painted black panels. And unlike the ones that were chrome, and I just sanded it and threw some black paint on, that was stupid and it was terrible. Now just get a low profile view of the exhaust tip, painted the pipe even more, and then we got the clean tailgate. Looks amazing with these new wing caps. Oh my gosh, yeah! And then over here we got the Silverado taken off as well. Perfect. You don't want to see any more there though. Don't look too closely. So now let's get down to business. This is the thing that I've been waiting to show you, and it's in the back right here. Give me a second. Voila! There it is. Check it out. Perfectly painted black, gloss black. The chrome on the outside was painted. No adhesive, but I can get the double-sided tape. He said he'd hook me up with some. Look at that. Just amazing. Just perfect. And it's going to go back here. So I could either give the clean tailgate look, or I could put this right there, whatever position. I'll find the right position. Don't worry about it. But look at that. That would look so cool. So I was just kidding. That's not the real deal. Hold on. All right, turn around. Go. Check it out, guys. Look at that. It's just amazing. I cannot believe it. Look how perfect this is. You guys saw this, I ordered it online. It's the LTZ Silverado grill, and the only way I could find it was it being full black on the outside and mesh on the inside was chrome, so it sucked. So I painted the outside blue professionally, and then we got the inside chrome black, and then we also got the emblem black to match, and it turned out amazing. I told the guy I really appreciate it. He said it was really hard and took a long time to really get into that mesh, but he did a good job on it. Look how perfect that looks. Let me just move that around a little bit. It looks so good, and it's gonna look so good on the truck. I can't wait to get it on. So I did get in touch with the dealership, and they said that it's gonna be on Monday, so we got a couple days yet, and then we're finally dropping this off. I'm gonna have to load all the parts in the back. Tons of parts for this truck. It's finally happening now, and I can't believe it. Look at this. Play some volleyball in the freezing cold. How about it, guys? Car meet right here. Yeah. Check out that Ford. Amazing. We're about to get some food and get some. Oh yeah. Well, should we go to Outback or what?
Sure.
So we're about to get some Outback, get some good steak. So it's been a good day, guys, and we're finally fixing this thing up, and we got the dates planned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like, share some, I did subscribe.